Who's excited? You's excited? There she goes. She's about to claim Moss Island. Good job. Now put your flag down. Raspberry Rock flag. Shoot, we do need that. So we've picked this wonderful spot for our lunch. We're gonna make a little fire here. City Girl is gonna make a fire.
Yeah.
Right here somewhere.
I already got my birch bark.
And where did you learn to get birch bark like that?
Well, someone made a video on birch bark.
Someone made a video.
Yeah.
This is what we got. Yeah. Lots more.
Lots more?
Yeah. Oh, such a power move. So you've got a nice little pile of wood.
Yep.
And a
Birch
smaller
bark.
wood. And you get your birch bark.
And I got my bigger pieces of wood.
Great. Have you got your fire starter?
My fire starter is...
Have you got your flint and steel? Your magnesium rod? Your striker?
No, you know what? I was just gonna take 2 sticks and just do the
Here, use mine.
way. Oh, thanks. So, first, I am going to put the little sticks in the...
Start with the birch bark. Put all the birch bark in the middle.
Put all the birch bark in the middle?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, dog.
Not in the fire, Junebug. Then I'm gonna put my little stick.
Sure. Okay, now start it. You don't need all your sticks on. Okay.
Not all my sticks? Why not?
No, it's okay. It's easier to start it if you haven't hidden all the.
Ow. Do not include that in the video.
Okay.
You're going to, aren't you?
Yep.
'Cause that's just the way you are.
I was about to say you're obviously not a smoker, right?
That's probably a good thing, don't you think?
Yep.
So it's lit. Probably don't want to lean over and singe my hair.
Nope. I hear that 1 out of 2 people will do that in a week.
I don't want to be the one.
No, I was already that one.
Look at that magic.
Yep. Looks good. Well, you can probably add some of the bigger pieces. Yeah, you.
What?
I was just thinking, you need to have your hair in a ponytail when you're doing this,
I know.
because it's just dangling
Note to self.
dangerously.
Something to bring. I guess I could just tuck it in my hat.
Yeah, you should. Like that's. Oh wow, that was really close, dear. No, tuck your hair back in your jacket. If you can.
Am I doing okay so far?
Yeah, that looks fine. Yeah, why don't you let it go for a little bit?
I like it.
Yep. Good job.
Well done.
Your first fire.
Yeah,
Or your
my
first
fire.
your first outdoor fire.
True. Nice.
Looking good.
Yeah, so we're toasting our lunch. Ham and cheese sandwiches over fire. And it was explained to me that when you're making this stick for your sandwiches that you should take the bark off the stick because the bark has bacteria.
Yeah, it can have some bacteria in it.
Yeah.
But that's good because we don't want it burning much longer than it takes to cook. Well, the fire's almost out. Do you know what you have to do now?
I've got to put the fire out.
Do you know how you're going to do it?
Well, I'm not going to step on it. Is that what you were expecting me to say?
No. You're going to think about it. So, what'd you come up with?
I grabbed as much snow as I could since I don't have access to water. And I'm going to put it on the fire.
Good plan. And I think we'll leave the fire pit there, eh?
Yeah.
So next time we come, we can just use it again.
Yeah.
Oh, good job. Good job, dear.
Thank you.
Shall we continue?
Yep.
We're coming back here by this spot anyway, so we can keep an eye on it, just in case. Do you trust this ice? We'll give it a shot. Willow was out there, and she's pretty lean, actually. I think we're good. We've stopped to look at this big, beautiful birch.
There's no chaga though.
No chaga. I'll keep our eyes open.
Yeah.
Well, we had planned to go up the rocks over here. And we got here and found out, yeah, that's not going to happen. And if I'm not mistaken, this is the creek that goes by Wolfie's place. Sounds like there's a waterfall down there. You want to check it out?
Yeah.
So we've come back to check on the fire pit. Looks good. Nice and wet in there. So I was walking along thinking about something else, and she says, wait, isn't that a... Her second one she's found, and now she can't lift it up because it's frozen to the ground.
Ooh, this is a good one. Look at how green it is. Well, are they supposed to be green? I don't know. I don't think so.
Yeah, get it up, dear.
This is in good shape, too.
Wow. Yeah, it's got a few nibbles on it. But yeah, it looks good. And it's frozen to the ground.
It can't...
Oh, you got it!
No.
With a little help from your friend. Holy
Ooh,
crap!
Look at that.
That one's really cool.
That's pretty cool.
Amazing.
Amazing. No, well,
That is unlike any of our other ones.
yeah.
That's crazy. Good job.
You said we'd find one today.
I did. I'm surprised we found it here. Yeah.
Wow.
You got a stick in your hair. In your hair? On the other.
All right.
Oh, you get to carry it back.
It's got some weight to it.
Neat.
Yeah.
Cool.
Nice.
Antler number 8.
Yep.
There.
That's so funny.
Those are good doggies. So here's our footprints from earlier today, and here's an elk print. This thing came through just after we did. Well, sometime after we did. Amazing. And it went off that way. Maybe he's looking for his antler.
Well, I can't have it.
Okay. Home sweet home. You tired?
I'm tired.
Yep. Hold on. I'm trying to... Okay. So, city girl, how was today?
It was most adventurous, I would say.
Did you have a good time?
I had an excellent time, as always.
And what did you like most?
I would have to say finding the elk antler.
Cool. So we'll have to do it again sometime.
We will.
Okay, do that thing where you go. Thanks for watching.
Okay. So, thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.
Bye.